In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this centered bar. So this bar is also sticky. So let's rebuild this. So let's delete this bar. Then let's add the bar again. And at this point, we'll just add a container. So that's the base setup. So first, we need to make the bar transparent. So let's next set the initial position of the bar to absolute and make the bar sticky. And also let's just remove the box shadow. So now we're left with the content to set up. So let's make set the background of the container to white, and set the self flex preset to fill space, so that fills the content of the bar. So as you can see here in the bar content, the bar has an outer spacing. So if you set this to 0, as you can see, the bar is full width. So if we can set this to have some space beside the bar, on the sides of the bar, but we can also set the container's max width to a fixed value like 1024. Then set the bar's self flex horizontal to center. So let's add content or elements to the container. So let's first add in a logo here, an image. Add an image. So let's use this image, and let's set this to scaling so it follows the height of the bar. So next we insert a menu, so navigation inline, and then let's just add maybe a button here. So you could set the margins of each of these elements, but to speed things up, let's just set the container's flex layout horizontal to space around to give some space here. So let's check this in different screen widths. So in mobile view, let's hide the navigation inline, go to customize, and let's hide this in 480 pix and smaller. And in place, we'll add a navigation collapsed element here, and let's hide this element in larger screen width. So you can polish this up in your actual setup, but for the purpose of this demo, we'll just I'll just show you how to achieve a centered bar. And let's just finish this up with a few top small margin top here. So hope that helps.